Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett is one of history's most successful investors and serves as chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. Here are some insightful quotes that could guide your investment journey. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Our favorite holding period is forever. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you'll do things differently. Only buy something that you'd be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Diversification is a protection against ignorance. It makes little sense if you know what you're doing. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. Chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. We simply attempt to be fearful when others are greedy, and to be greedy only when others are fearful. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. You don't need to be a rocket scientist. Investing is not a game where the guy with the 160 IQ beats the guy with 130 IQ. Opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. In the world of business, the people who are most successful are those who are doing what they love. Time is the friend of the wonderful company, the enemy of the mediocre. Predicting rain doesn't count. Building arcs does. The business schools reward difficult, complex behavior more than simple behavior, but simple behavior is more effective. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. You need a temperament that neither derives great pleasure from being with the crowd or against the crowd. You only have to do a very few things right in your life so long as you don't do too many things wrong. Cash combined with courage in a time of crisis is priceless. There seems to be some perverse human characteristic that likes to make easy things difficult. The investor of today does not profit from yesterday's growth. It is not necessary to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. Whether we're talking about socks or stocks, I like buying quality merchandise when it is marked down. I don't look to jump over 7-foot bars. I look around for 1-foot bars that I can step over.